Welcome to Gold Signature Residence, a luxurious property located in Kargicak, Alanya, inspired by Goldcity history. This project covers an area of 6,745 square meters and offers 54 units of 1+1, 6 units of 2+1 duplex, and 4 units of 3+1 duplex residence over 2 blocks. Gold Signature Residence provides full panoramic sea views and comes with a wide range of facilities such as an open pool, parking area, fitness center, spa, gardening, and much more. The construction is scheduled to be completed in April 2024, and for those who make a full 100% down payment, there is a 5% discount. The Gold Signature Residence also offers the advantages of using all Goldcity hotel facilities. This project is available for Turkish citizenship, which is an excellent investment opportunity. The property comes with world-class facilities, including a sports complex, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, aqua park, restaurants and bars, beach volley, basketball and tennis courts, cinema hall, and meeting rooms. The spa and wellness center are perfect for relaxation, including hookah, sauna, steam room, and massage rooms. The property also has a shopping center, Gant Chandelier, leather showrooms, jewelry stores, supermarkets, and boutiques. You can enjoy your time with your family and friends by organizing a barbecue in the outdoor area. The property also comes with a 24-hour reception and professional security, fire alarm and extinguisher system, and much more. Gold Signature Residence provides everything you need to live a luxurious lifestyle. Contact us today to learn more about this fantastic opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Kargicak, Alanya.